What's up guys, join me as I go test the drone that I built for my startup NOLAIR. So for a couple of months I've been working on this drone project, and today I want to finally test the build and see how it works. And also from that I'm going to analyze the flight log and know the perfect tuning for it. We'll do some tuning for it after the first flight test and after including other components such as the sensors and a perfect casing for it. So this is the drone build that I've been working for a couple of months. It's a massive quadcopter that I have been working for my startup NOLAIR. NOLAIR is focused on developing public safety drones for Africa and protection of critical infrastructure. So I'm going to be showing some of the things that I'll be going to the field with for this flight test. I'm doing this in the field, although I have some little space at my compound, but I will not be using it because there are cars parked in the compound. And also we have not installed some basic sensors that avoid objects on the drone. So it's after the first flight test and after the tuning that we're going to integrate the sensors with the drone. So I'm going to be using the feed for this first flight test and see how the drones flies. And this can help us in tuning the drones. So I'm going to be going with some basic items that is very important in the field. Some of these items are very crucial. So I'll be going with my HP, not the MacBook. I'll be going with this because the software we're going to be using is on the HP laptop. The software we're going to be using our ground control station is on this laptop, although I have it on my MacBook Pro. So also the remote controller. This is the remote controller for the drone. It's a good one. So I also have the landing pad. This is a landing pad for the drone. I'm not going to be opening it here. It's quite difficult to get inside this place because it's much bigger. So this is the landing pad that I'll be going for the drone. I also have fire extinguisher. Sometimes some things can go wrong on the drone, but we don't pray for such thing to happen because the drone costs thousands of dollars. I'm not praying for such thing, but safety first. So there's fire extinguisher with me. And this is a checklist. It's very important. This is a checklist. We're going to go through it. I'm going to go through it one after the other before flying the drone to make sure everything is in order. If there's any problem, this is going to happen. So I made the checklist for myself. I don't know if the words are invited in the camera, but here no left flight checklist. That's what is written on it. So we're going to go all the frame inspection, propeller inspection, landing gear, battery, and lots more. So after that, after the flight, we're also going to do post-flight checklist. This will help us to analyze the flight log. That is it. So this is going to help us improve on the drone tuning for better stability and low battery consumption. So that is it. Those are the important things I'll be going with, and my safety boots, very important. So I'll also be going with some safety boots. So that is it. I'm going with a lot of things. I think I have some safety vests. I don't know if I should wear it or not, but safety vest for visibility, so people around know they are doing something there, and to reduce people from coming close. Safety vest. So that's what I'll be going with for this flight test. And after the flight test, we'll do more flight tests on the drone. After that, we're going to be doing some casing on the drone. I haven't done a casing for it at the moment. This is a very big quadcopter, very big one for that. This is the gimbal camera. So yeah, so the drone is developed for public safety and protection of critical infrastructure in Nigeria and beyond Nigeria. So that is it. Peace.